Hazrat Zahra goes to the Holy Prophet, says, Father, times are very difficult in our home. If you could help us out in some way. The Holy Prophet says, Zahra, I too don't have anything. But let me teach you a dua that will never ever leave you unsatisfied. That will always, Allah will always provide for you. It's a very short dua. Many of you may already know it. But those of you that don't know, you can memorize it. It says, Ya Rabb al-awwalina wal-akhirin. Ya dha al-quwwati al-mateen. Ya Rahim al-Masakin, Ya Arham al-Rahimin. Says, recite this, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will bring ease for you. She comes with this dua, returns back home. Amir al-Mu'mineen says, how Fatima, tell me, what did Rasulullah send for us? She says to him, Ya Ali, ذهبت للدنيا ورجعت للآخرة. I went in pursuit of the dunya, but returned with the akhirah. My father gave us this dhikr. Amir al-Mu'mineen says, what a great day it is for us that Rasulullah gave us a dhikr. Satisfaction. Total and utter satisfaction.